The Bosch washing machine E13 error code indicates a problem with the water drainage from the machine. This code is displayed when the draining process takes longer than the standard time, signaling slow or no drainage. Several common causes of this code include a blocked drain hose, often due to dirt accumulation, or a hose that is bent. A faulty pressure switch can also be the culprit, as it communicates with the control module to determine the right water amount for the cycle to start, and blockages can render it faulty. Additionally, a damaged transmission belt, which can occur over time, may alter the motor's spinning, causing the drum to spin at an inadequate speed and resulting in the display of this code. To fix the E13 error code, several solutions can be applied. First, inspecting the drain hose is crucial. This involves opening the cap at the bottom of the hose, manually checking for clogs by turning the hose in a circular motion, cleaning the area around any clogs, and then replacing the cap. If the hose is bent, it should be adjusted to its correct position. Next, examining the pressure switch is necessary, which entails locating the pressure sensor at the base panel, removing the switch using a flat screwdriver, blowing through the switch to ensure it's clear, and verifying that the hoses leading to it are not blocked. Lastly, checking the transmission belt is also essential. This involves removing the back panel to expose the belt, ensuring it's properly positioned on the pulley, and adjusting or replacing it if necessary. By following these steps, the E13 error code can be resolved, and the washing machine can function properly once again.